Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to buy a domain and how to buy a web. So I'll add this link on my description below. If you will use this link and you will get a best 20% discount on to buy web hosting for your website company. So this is Hostinger. Hostinger is a very cheapest and reliable and secure company for build your website. So I'll add the add link on my description below. You will get extra 20% discount for buying domain and hosting. So this video I'll show you how you can buy and how you can buy domain and hosting. So this is Hostinger. Hostinger is a very cheapest and secure and reliable for your website. So if you use my link, you will get free domain name, free website integration, and 24/7 support from Find Hostinger. So there are three option web hosting plan. So this premium price 2.49. If you will get 48 months, then you will get this price for 2.49 and 80% off. And be your business plan only $3.29 and cloud startup $749 and you will get 2 months free. You can use this plan premium plan. You can use free website and 20 GB storage, free domain for 1 year, and free SSL and email marketing tools and everything. And also business, you choose business. It's 150 website you can add for your hosting. You can this one only $3.29 and cloud startup $7.49. $7.49 for 100 website you can add this hosting. So in 100 GB world fastest NAV storage, this one is 50 GB and this one is 20 GB. And every plan you can choose, you will get free domain for your web host with web hosting. So you can choose any plan. This one most popular. This plan is 76 for $3.29 and 2 month already free, also free. You can choose this plan. This price available for 48 months. If you take hosting for 48 months, then this price is available. So we can choose new and plan. We can choose but just basic plan. You can choose anything, premium, business, or cloud. We just use this one. So this one they are showing which one. So we only premium web hosting. So this price 48, this for 2.49 available for 48 months. But we don't need 48 months. We only need 12 months. We only choose 12 months. 12 months is $3.49, so $1 extra. And we will only 12 months, so $3.49 per month, and they will provide for 1 2 month free. Great news, you get a free domain for 1 year in this order. So we only choose a domain name for which they will provide free domain name. And there are, you can see the save 100% US first year for only. So we chose this one. So premium web hosting, yes, this one you can choose. No, we only take for 1 year. The option 2 years, but we only take 1 year. Then we get free domain. Yes, that means you get a free domain for 1 year. This one you choose US 00 anything. No, this one is free domain privacy, and we can choose. We already choose premium web hosting for 12 months, 1 year, only per month, $3.49, and we choose best free god.com. This one is domain. This one is free for first year, and we can continue. Our total price $41. Our total price $41. We can continue. So our hosting price only $41. 41.88 total for. So we will give you my first name and last name. I'll provide my to everything. We then everything then provide, and we can continue. Then continue with, they will provide everything in my send email address. You can choose this one. So I hope you understand. I will add this link my description. You can choose this link and you can take 20% discount for your web hosting. So this video will help you. Please like, share and subscribe our video. Thank you so much.